ولیم Brown, a 67-year-old U.S. professor of business management at Xiamen University in East China's Fujian province, has been living with his family in China for more than 30 years. In the past years, he has been writing over 20 books to record a changing and vibrant China. To help people better understand the country, he has emphasized the importance of people-to-people exchanges to improve China and U.S. relations in a recent interview with Xinhua.
To improve China and U.S. relations, we must expand and improve people-to-people relationships through academic, cultural, and other exchanges. Academic exchanges, cultural exchanges, etc., they're great. And they'll influence individuals who may in turn influence friends and family. But this is a slow approach. I know, because I've been doing this for 35 years. I think promoting Chinese language study is a very powerful approach. Those who learn Chinese will naturally want to learn even more about China.
In Brown's opinion, the people-to-people exchanges, especially among the youth, will help reduce misunderstandings.
I think it's true the future is in the youth. I've urged Americans to visit China, and also for Chinese, especially youth, to visit the U.S. to see firsthand what do Americans really think of China and why. The average American has no way to understand China because they only know what is reported by the media. And the only way to overcome this mass manipulation is for people to meet each other one-on-one, or maybe at least in small groups.